super diverse. You start down in the valleys and you go through the forest and you end up in the vineyards.
With villages and chateaux along the way.
Every 5 minutes it seems like there's something different.
The Dordogne and Bordeaux trip was more than the biking experience. You are never going to see as much as you see unless you're on bike like this. But the local people that we encountered because of Backroads and what they have set up and the relationships that they've made, it's something we'd never be able to do on our own.
Outstanding, absolutely beautiful. What's great about these trips is we would never know about this hotel, and then Backroads plans it for us, and so we are having a good time, and then we get this amazing surprise, and it's even better.
I love the architecture. I love the buildings. The fact that you go through the countryside, you've got houses that were built centuries years ago. I love the churches everywhere.
Every time we turn a corner, it just opens up into something more beautiful than the last place we saw.
We've really enjoyed the wine tasting.
Learning what we learned from Benjamin, who's been the wine instructor, kind of touring us around, has been phenomenal. He was world of knowledge, great wine tasting.
Our expectation was from everyone we talked to about Backroads is that everything is planned perfectly, the hotels are great, and the guides are great, and it turns out it absolutely is true. Everything's taken care of for you. Everything's been perfect.